In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan project on Miro. To get started, open Miro and go to your new board. This is your blank workspace, and it is where you will set up a simple project plan using a template. If you are not already on a new board, create one from your dashboard so you have a clean area to work with. Having a fresh board helps keep your planning organized and easier to share later. Once your board is open, look for the templates option in the Miro interface and click on it. Templates are pre-built layouts that save time and give you a structure to follow, especially when you are planning a project and want everything in one place. When the templates panel opens, you will see a search field that lets you quickly find what you need instead of scrolling through categories. In the template search field, type the word highlight. As you type, Miro will filter the results in real time. Take a moment to pause after typing so the template suggestions can load fully. If your results look crowded, you can focus on the most relevant options by keeping your search term exactly as written. Next, in the results list, find and click on Project. Selecting this template will place the project planning layout directly onto your board. After it appears, you can zoom in and out to get comfortable with the view, and you can move the template to the center of your workspace so it is easy to work on. This template gives you a starting point for organizing your project content in a clear visual format. From here, you are ready to begin planning inside the project template you just added. A helpful tip is to keep related items grouped together as you fill things in and to leave a bit of space around sections so your board stays readable as it grows. You can also rename the board at the top so it is easy to find later, especially if you manage multiple projects. And that is all there is to it.